In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your credit card on QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your finances using QuickBooks, knowing how to link your credit card can greatly streamline your financial tracking. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't already, head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Once you're there, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This will take you to the specific portal for the online version of QuickBooks, ensuring you're in the right place to manage your accounts. Next, it's time to input your login credentials. Enter your username and password carefully to avoid any hiccups. Once you've typed in your information, click Continue. Occasionally there might be additional security measures like a two-factor authentication prompt, so just follow the on-screen guidance if needed. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. This section is your hub for managing all things related to your bank accounts and credit cards, making it the crucial next step in linking your credit card. In the Bank Transactions tab, look for a button that says Link Account, located at the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to adding new financial accounts to QuickBooks. Click it and prepare to fill in some essential details about your credit card. At this point, you'll have a list of banks and financial institutions to choose from. Select the bank or credit institution that issued your credit card. This step is vital as it allows QuickBooks to establish a secure digital link with your financial provider. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to provide your credit card details. Carefully input the required information such as your card number and billing information. The final step involves logging in to confirm the connection. You will be required to use your bank's online login credentials to authenticate this process. This is a security step, ensuring that only you can authorize the connection between your credit card and QuickBooks. Once logged in, QuickBooks will take a moment to verify the details and establish a secure link to your account. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added your credit card to QuickBooks Online. From now on, you'll enjoy seamless tracking of expenditures and more organized financial records. Remember, keeping your financial data updated on QuickBooks can save you plenty of time during tax season and help with budgeting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your QuickBooks experience.